So the carpet's been sitting here in some degreaser. You can see it's kind of loosening up this rust that was back here on the carpet. So we got this thing soaked down. We're gonna go ahead and spray it and see if we can get any of this out. So this is one pass of degreaser, and now I just need to get a scrub brush and go for a second pass. But you can see we got a lot of those stains out. This one, I'm not sure what was on it in the past, but you can kind of see, I think it removed some of the color, whatever it was on there. Still have some heavy rust spots here to work on, but I want to get this nice and clean. I might be dyeing this, but here's what it looks like after one pass of some degreaser. Now I just need to get, like I said, a brush, put some more on there, let it soak in, try to work its way out. You can see some of the dye is just kind of faded here in these areas. But other than that, the carpet is in pretty good condition for as far as like rips and tears. All right, so we just went through a second pass. I think I'm gonna try some Lime Away or something a little heavier on the rust. And then these spots up here is where the rubber pad of the seat sets. So I'm gonna try to clean that up a little bit more. You can see it's coming along pretty good. Have some heavier rust stuff. There was like some washers and stuff sitting on the carpet, and then the top here, once I started cleaning this, whatever was on here before, maybe sun faded, we basically turned it to white. But this smells 10 times better. I think it's a pretty good start for now. We're gonna see if I can tinker with this a little bit more and see how much more I can get out of it. But if not, maybe try to dye it. But the insulation underneath of it is pretty good. But you can see it really cleaned it up a lot. There's a lot of smelly stains in this, and doesn't smell anymore. But if you have any questions on any of the processes that we took today, put those down in the comments down below, and I'm gonna continue to work on this. And then if I decide to go ahead and dye it, I will make another video. But this is the rear carpet, and then I'm gonna get the front carpet out and also do that as well.